Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no petting. Get your petty paws away from me.
My boy finna get his dick cut off.
Down. Up. Down. Up. Up. Down.
Well, guess what, baby? I'm about to give you a treat, yeah, and you don't gotta do no tricks. That one's just for existing. Look on the ground. On the ground. Look.
So we've ran into a problem. Fridge Dog's bed right here is getting real old. So at your boy's GE and tell him that Fridge Dog needs a new bed. Hashtag Fridge Dog needs a new bed.
Oh my god.
Se llama la cumbia del tilín, primo, cabrón. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eso, tilín. Vaya, tilín. Wow, tilín.
I got a small waist, pretty face with a big bang. Look how you hating on a bitch and you my mama age.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries.
Shut the hell up, bitch.
This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. Can you feel my heat? Look.
The person who sent you this wants to check you're still alive. Are you still alive? Do I need to send help?
Ya se descubrió el sexo del coronavirus. Es mujer. No te deja salir, no te deja ir con tus amigos, no te deja bailar y te aísla de todo.
Guess what? You're a bitch.
I won't be long. I won't be long, but I do have to go. I'm going to work. I'm going to work. I'm going to work.
Here we go, gang.
Give me. Let me take it up. Let me take it off.
You'll never get the chance to treat me like I'm a piece of shit again. Don't call my motherfucking house ever again. Do you hear me? I'm not your mama. You don't hang the fuck up on me.
You're fine.
What's going on? I hate hugs, but your skin, oh yeah, your skin and
Wamide, but easy come and easy go, maninging kong salanong kong king ongในชีวิตเธอ
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
You are very, 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 very good boy.
My cat hates perfume, so I sprayed some on me to get Nanusa's reaction. She's so dramatic.
Hi! Hi! Good morning! That's what I love. Nestle Crunch. You kind of smell.
What the?
Like a baka.
Say hello.
I'm tired! I don't want to do nothing. Let me rest for 1,000 years!
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries.